Assalamu alaikum. I'm here with the practice now 12 exercise 1 prime numbers chapter 1 of new syllabus mathematics day 1. So practice now 12 resource books page 19. Find the LCM of 9, 30 and 108. Okay, in the previous lecture we had just done with the LCM with the table and the listing method of two terms. Now in this case we have the three terms. There's no boundary that you can solve this practice now with the listing as well as table method. I will do this question with both the methods, so you will clear your concept from which method you can easily solve the question. So let's start the question. So first of all, for the listing method, we make the factors of 9, 30 and 108. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 1 is carry, so 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, so 1 carry, 2 7s are 14. Now 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So we just write down the factors of 9, 9 having the factors 3 square, then factors of 30, 30 having the factors 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. When we are having the factors of 108, so 10 having the factors, we have 2 2's, then 3 3's, 1 2 3. So this power indicates that how many 3's we have. So I have 3 3's, so I just write down the 3 power 3. This 3 means that number of 3's 1 2 3, and 2 power 2 means this 2, and how many 2's we have, 1 2, so 2 power 2. That's means this to indicate the how many number of 2's we have. So as we are working with the LCM, so LCM we will take the smallest multiple, smallest value. So we will take the smallest multiple that is common. So when I consider the 2, so in this line there is no 2, then check the factors of this. We have the, in this we have the power of 2 is 1 and the power of 2 is, here is 2. So we'll take the greater value, greater power, that is 2 power 2. So we are done with this. Now move towards the 3. 3 power 2, 3 power 1. When there's nothing power, that means there's a power of 1, and 3 power 3. So we'll take the greatest power. What is the greatest power? 2, 1 or 3? Definitely 3 power 3. And we have done with all 3. So what is left behind? This 5. So next is 5. By multiplying all the numbers, we get the answer to 540. So it is the LCM of 9, 30 and 108. This is all that I've done with the listing method. Now I will solve this question with the table method. We have the number 9, 30 and 108. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 0, 3 3s are 9, 1 carry and 3 6 are 18. Now 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Give one thing notice in this step, that if 10 is not divisible, then it's okay. There are two terms. When there are two terms that are going to be divided in the LCM, so we will divide. In SCM we just stop the question here, but in LCM we will solve this question again. Now again 10 into 12 again come in the same table, that is 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. So this is the common factors and that are the uncommon factors. Multiply just for LCM. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, and we have uncommon factors. 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. So multiply 18 and 30. We will get 540. That is the LCM with the table method. So in the table method, there's one thing new for you. this is what, that in the case of SCM we will divide the terms when all the terms, how many number of terms, rather through 3 2 4, all the terms are came in the same table. But in the LCM, when there are even the two common factors that will be divided with the same table, we'll just continue the question. So it is all done with the practice now 12 with the both listing and table method. Hope so that you will understand this question. Allah Hafiz.